Okay.
They run
Yeah.
away because
Welcome.
of
Yeah.
the.
Welcome in this session. Today I'm going to start again loop. Yesterday we talked about for loop, right? Some conditional statement, if and else. Agenda of this class is covering loop concept, and if time permits, little bit we can talk about method. Okay. So what is a loop? Sunil, yesterday we talked about loop is used to. Sunil, come with me. Loop is used to
Yes, sir. I'm here.
repeat, है ना?
Yeah,
Repeat
repeat
same
Repeat.
statements
again
again
and
and
again and again.
again and again.
Yeah,
If you want to say good morning to me 1,000 times, you can do it, right? So in order to implement loop, we can use two keyword, for keyword or while loop. Hello. So
yes, sir.
we have two keyword for it. Either you can use for or while loop. These are these are keywords. What are the keywords? I forget it. Oh, keywords are reserved words,
Fixed word.
which meaning is
That's our word.
predefined for the
Predefined.
compiler. So yesterday I had shown an example class. You can give any name to it, right? Class name is main. You can give any name of your choice. But inside the class, we have to write some template method. Public, static, void,
Wait, wait.
Main.
main, main small letter, right? Class is in main. Don't confuse with this. This is in capital. This is class. And this is a keyword. Here you can write string args. This thing you have to mug it. Remember it. Okay.
Arguments.
So basically, yesterday I want to say hello 100 times. So what was the syntax? For
For
parenthesis open and close, curly bracket open and close.
ANTX1
Yeah. So integer x equals to 1,
One
x less than equals to
100
100 plus
hundred,
x plus plus.
X
So this
plus
loop is going to run how many times? 100 times.
100
hundred
times.
times.
1 up to 100. Once value of x becomes 101, then it will terminate. So people, what you want to print here? System dot out dot
Out
println.
println
So what you want to say here? Hello, right? Only hello and dash plus. You want to just say
plus
hello dash 1, hello dash 2, hello dash 3 up to 100, right? So this is clear to you or not? So
yeah.
this
Yes,
loop
sir.
is this loop is going to continue.
Equal.
Yeah. Equal means it will go up to 100, 1 to 100. That's it. No confusion. And yesterday I explained you initialization will be happening only once. Condition will go again and again, right? Initially x1 and it will if x1 is x1 is get less than equals to 100, it will print hello dash 1. Then it will
One
go to the increment section. X plus plus means whatever value of x is, it will make a
plus
increment of it. So it becomes 2. Make sense? Yeah. Similarly, if you want to convert the same program with the while loop syntax, same program, class main, only the difference is instead of for, I would like to use public static void main. I hope you are following me.
yeah.
Same program I'm going to write. Everything is same. Here you can write string args.
Zero.
I don't know. Then here what you can do is in while loop, right? Whatever initialization you are doing inside the loop, you have to do outside the loop. First difference is in for loop, initialization we do within the loop, right? But in while loop, initialization we do outside the loop. And here you have to use while. In while, parentheses open and close, then curly bracket open and close. People, can you see this? This is syntax. Are you following me? While, come with me. Then parentheses, curly bracket open and close. Curly bracket open and close is called definition of the while loop. And in parentheses, you can write the Boolean condition. So here I can write x less than equals to 100. Make sense? So in this, your initialization of the variable and condition, right? And increment, decrement, everything come inside loop. But here you see difference, only differences of syntax. Both are exactly same thing. This is also going to say what, sir? It is going to say hello dash plus x. Are you with me? Same
Yes.
thing. And in increment and decrement, here you can do, you know, inside the loop. So we have to understand the difference between both, right? Difference between this and difference between that. So people, we need to compare it, right? Hello. What
Yeah.
difference is? Whatever initialization we have, we just moved outside it, right? This is only syntax difference. Clear? And whatever increment decrement you are doing, we are doing inside the loop. That's differences. But both are doing the same job. Are you following me? Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
So in
Yes,
this,
sir.
which one is good? Answer is I'm programmer. For me, no difference. Difference is only suppose I am a driver, right? I am a cab driver. So if I drive BMW or Audi, doesn't matter.
Same.
Purpose is same. I'm just driving the car. Doesn't matter because it is going to solve the same purpose, right? Done,
Mm-hmm.
done. So again, I want to tell you which one is good, using for loop or while loop. Anything,
So
anything, whatever you like.
for
It is up to you, right? There is no reason. Nobody can say for loop is good or right. I don't know. For me, both are same. I don't know. You got the syntax? In for loop, initialization, condition, increment, decrement, everything come inside the loop. But in while loop, initialization is outside the loop, and increment, decrement comes inside the definition of the while loop. That's differences. I hope you got the loop. This we have to do practice. People reply.
yes. Yes.
Sir.
So I have done with. Anybody have any question query regarding
No,
this?
sir.
Please.
From my side, it's clear.
Okay, very good. Next thing and
Are
toughest
you
thing which I'm,
recording?
yeah,
Please, are you recording this?
yeah, it's being recorded.
Thank you, because I just joined the class. I'm going to look
No
at it.
problem at all. You haven't,
Okay,
you
so
will not miss anything. But
thank you.
people, just be honest with me. If you don't understand anything, ask me to repeat it. But it's not like you miss the class, okay? If you miss the class, I cannot do anything. But if you're in the class and still you're not getting it, it's my fault.
Sir, can you repeat again?
Yeah, yeah. See, do you understand the purpose of the loop, Sunil?
Yes, sir.
Purpose of loop is repeating the statement, right? So in while loop, if you want to run it 100 times, what do you have to do? First of all, you have to make the variable and you have to give the initial value to it, right? I'm giving it to 1. In while, we have to put the condition. Hey, while you go until x is less than equals to 100.
Right.
Once it becomes, greater than 100, terminate it. Are you following me? So x is 1 and 1 is less than equals to 100, then it will print it and increment and decrement section. I hope I'm making myself clear. Yeah. So please, best way of understanding is you just go and try it. I have a rule in my training, try and cry principle. Which principle? Try and cry.
I am sure.
After
First of all,
hello,
try and then cry. Simple. If you try and cry and ask questions, you will learn for sure. Fine.
after hello, does it have to be a dash or could it be equal?
Where?
System out print hello. Could it be
Sys-
equal after hello?
No, this is actually dash. So it will
Is
be the part
dash.
of the message. You can write anything. You can write equal, you can write whatever you want to write. Okay, it is up to you.
Uh,
So whatever you write, it will come as it is, right? As it is, because it is inside double quotes. Can you see this?
mm-hmm.
Inside double quotes, you can write anything.
Oh,
Anything. You can write papa, mummy, daddy, banana, mango, papaya, right? So inside double quotes, you can write anything, dash, equal, right? Because whatever you write, it will go and print as it is. Plus means you are appending. What you are appending? Value of x. So first time, what it would say? Hello, tell me, dash, 1. Second time, hello, dash 2. Make
two.
sense? Similarly, it will go up to 100. Let me type this program for you. Please, the way I'm typing, you have to follow my technique. Sunil,
Yes, sir. I
see
will
the
do.
way I'm typing, okay? See this technique? Right click on it, new class. You know this, right? Right click on the
Yes,
SRC,
sir.
new class. And here you can type any name you can give, right? Main and public static void main. Because I'm lazy, I cannot write public static void main. Can you see this? Wow. Now you have to make the while loop, right? First of all, you have to write x1. Sunil, no compilation error.
Yes, sir.
Then you can write
Mhm.
while parenthesis open and close, then curly bracket open and close. And here you can write the condition. See my technique? Done. No
Yeah.
error. And save it. After that, you would say system.out control space bar. What? System.out and put your cursor just right to the word and control space bar. It will come like this. Then here hello dash. Hey, hello dash means
That's
this much it will be printed as it is plus x. Plus x means value of x you are appending it, right? And here you are just incrementing it. Hmm? X plus plus. So you do know the flow. First time value of x is 1. Then condition 1 is less than equals to 100. Condition true. Then it will go and print hello as it is dash value of x 1. Hello 1. Then x plus plus 1. So what it will do, if value of x becomes 2, then it will go to the while loop. Hey, x, are you still less than 2? Yeah, yeah. Then hello dash 2. Then it will go to the x plus plus. Then it becomes 3. Then again it will go to the loop, right? After curly bracket, again it will go to the loop. Hey, 3, are you still less than equals to 100? Yes. It will go to this hello dash 3. Then it will come to the x plus plus 4. Similarly, it will go up to 100. Once it becomes 101, hello, then it will go and ask, hey, 101, are you less than equals to 100? 100, says, no,
no,
I'm not less.
no.
So your loop terminates, okay? So immediately it will come here. Hey, what? I have done. I have done. I have done with execution. You can write anything. Sunil, you see my technique and save it.
Yes, sir.
Control S, save your program. Now you can run it. Output is, you know it. Hello dash 1 up to 100. Can you see this? It
What
will go
about
up to 90, 100, and in last,
I have
I have
done
done with execution.
execution.
This is clear to everybody?
yes, but what
Yes.
about what if it was about subtracting it or
Yes.
multiplying it or
You
something?
can do it, whatever you want to do, right? Here, if you want to do subtract, multiply, any calculations you can do, no problem. But it will come by the
Can you
practice.
show us
What program you want to see?
Multiplication.
subtraction first?
Multiplication.
Multiplication? Yeah, let's do
Yeah.
that. I'm making another program. I want to show you the multiplication. Mean, you can give any name to it. So first of all, my agenda is, see what I want to do. Whatever number we have, right?
Yeah.
I want to multiply this number 1 into 2. You understand my intention? Into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6, into 7. Up to 7, right? If somebody is
Okay.
entering 7, I will start with 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. If somebody is giving 4, right? I will go up to 4. You got my point? If somebody gives 5, so I'll go up to 5. You got it? Whatever number you are giving me, I will start to multiply 1 into 2 into up to the number. That's my intention. Clear? So what I will do? First of all, I have to take a variable. 1. Hmm. Then I have to run a loop. This loop, I know this program. This loop, I'll start with 2. I'll tell you. I'll go up to number, then x plus plus. Guys, what my intention is? Like here, first of all, I want to do sum equals to sum into x. So let's understand this program, okay? Hello.
Oh,
Let's do the dry run in the editor. So tell me, if you have 3, right? What is the output of it? It will go 1 into 2 into 3.
Yeah.
The output is
6.
6. So it is right. So let me do the dry run for you. Dry run means I can show you in the pen diagram. So what I'm going to do, sir? I am going to do the dry run for you. How it is working. People, don't take tension as long as I'm here. So I'm going to do the dry run. You want to see a loop concept with multiplication. Are you with me?
yeah.
Like
Yep.
here, if you want to see for 5, right, or 3, let's see how it works. First of all, A sum has what?
1.
Sum has 1, right? Then you are coming to x equals to 2 and value of x initialized with 2 and x is less than equals to number. Yes or no? Number is 3 and x is 2. So 2 is less than equals to number or not? Answer to me.
Yes.
If 2 is less than equals to number, then what you are doing? You are saying, hey sum, whatever value you have, right? Multiply with x. X means 2. And result you can assign to what? Sum. Can you see this? Sum initially it was 1 and you multiply with 2. Whatever result comes you assign to sum. Then you go to the x plus plus. What x plus plus does? Initial value is 2. Now it is
2
making
plus
it
1.
3. Here it then after incrementing it comes to condition. And what condition is saying? Hey 3, are you less than equals to 3? Answer is yeah.
No.
Yes.
Also 3 is less than equals to 3. That's correct.
Yeah,
Then
yeah, yeah.
sum has initially 1 into 2, right? Now 3 comes. And whatever result is coming, you are assigning to sum again, right? Then your
Mhm.
x will go to x plus plus and it becomes 4. Now you're asking, hey 4, are you less than equals to 3? No. Then loop is terminated, right? And after that, you are printing the value of sum here. So what is the value of sum here? You see 1 into 2 into 3. So it will print result 6. You got it or not? Similarly, if you take
No.
number 4, right? So it will go up to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. You got it? Similarly, if you take 5, it will go up to 5. This is called factorial of a number in mathematics. What this operation is called?
Factory.
This is called factorial
Number.
of a
Wow.
number. I don't know, you got this much or you got confused?
I
Confused.
was confused.
No
I
problem.
little
Yeah,
confused.
No problem. What's confusion?
it was inside the for loop when we say int x equal to 2. So why don't take that number 2? Why don't put 1?
No, no, no. Here you can start with one also, right? Not a problem. Because one already I have in the sum. That's why I took 2.
Oh,
Are you following me?
Okay.
Because one is already present in that. That's why I start with 2. Clear? If you take 1 right here, so what happen? Your result will look like this. But result will come come same. Can you see this? Like this.
I got it.
So you just put some attention on it, and if you're not able to understand, Monday I will teach you again the same thing. What? You try, then cry and come back. And you say, Nagendra,
Okay, thanks.
I watch your recording. I spent 1 hour on it, but still it's not clear to me. Please. Hmm? Hey,
Okay, thank you.
don't take tension. First of all, try with small program. Fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello? Try with small
Yeah.
program.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Try it and then cry and come back. So
Okay.
fine. Now, next topic which I am going to teach you is small topic and right? And I will teach this topic 2 times, today and Monday as well. Fine. So what topic I have to teach you is method. Method, and it is very important. I want everybody should be master. Everybody should do mastering in the method. So agenda is method, right? Or you can say function, but in Java we always say method, not function. We'll talk about why. See, see, in real life, right? We always use this concept. I can explain to you. In real life, what I said, we use method or function. Let me give the example. In real life, one function means everybody does some specific job. You know plumber, you know electrician,
Yeah.
you know
Yes.
sweeper. So everybody has their job, right? So
Yeah.
if you want some electrician, what you do? You call him. Yes or no? When you call him, what electrician does? He comes at your home
And check.
and
Fix.
check,
Yeah.
yeah, check your connection, whatever is, right?
Yeah.
And then you pay it. That's it. So everybody, because you cannot do each and everything yourself. Do you think you can do everything yourself? No, it's not possible.
No.
So same job is done by the method. So in programming, we have a method. When you call it, it will do its job. That's it. Same concept. You got a point?
Yeah.
Hello. So so you are also a method. So one method calls other method. That's true. Right? We who calls the electrician? You call the electrician, right? And electric who calls the plumber? You call the plumber. You tell me, you can call the electrician, you can call the plumber. One electrician can call the plumber or not? Think and tell me. Of course, you're not telling me. Electrician can call plumber?
Yes.
Yes, of course, right?
Hmm.
And plumber can call us as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Suppose we are delivery boy, right? Huh?
Hmm.
Yeah.
So anybody can delivery boy can call electrician. Electrician can call to delivery boy. If you order pizza and all, right? Huh, everything. So function means all about using to each other. Can I write it? One function. So what is the function? Clear? A. What is the function or method? Let me write it.
Using each other.
Yeah. Function or method is logical unit of task which is used to accomplish the goal. Yes, you know.
Yeah.
When you call plumber, right? He does some specific thing and to accomplish the goal. That's true. So
Yes.
you tell me, to electrician or plumber, how many times you can call?
Anytime you want.
That you want.
As many
As
as you,
as
as
much
many
as you
as
want.
you need, right?
Yes.
Suppose you are
Yeah.
enjoying to calling the electrician. Unnecessarily you are calling him and giving money. It's okay. He will come. Yes, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
So similarly, function or method, right? Function we can call.
Method.
Yeah. Normally, I would be using of a method because method is the right word instead of
Yeah.
function. For method, we can call again and again.
Okay.
Clear? So benefit is method. If you call again and again, it will do its job, right? Simple. Are you following me? Similarly, in
Yes.
our programming, if you want to, accomplish something, right? Or you want to do the same thing again and again, you can write a function or you can write a method. This is clear to you?
No.
Yeah.
No problem. See, in your program, if you want to basically add two number. So we have two approach of doing it. Okay. So let's do that. I'm just writing a simple problem, and then that problem I can solve with the help of method or function. So let me write the program. We have a class, and class is main 100. Hmm. And then here I can write public static void main. Mhm. A, I'm not in hurry. No need to say yes unless and until you understand. Clear? This much is
Yeah.
clear to everybody. This much is clear, I hope. Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I'm doing is I have a number, right? See, and you should understand my requirement. My requirement is whatever number I have. First of all, I have to increment this number by 2. So what if I print the number? What is the output of it? Answer to me. Initial value of number is 10. So
12.
what I'm doing? A number 10. I want to plus 2. So result is
12.
12. After it, I want to again do, don't ask why. Can you see this? What I'm doing?
Yeah.
First of all, I'm taking number, incrementing it by 2, and then decrementing it by 1.
Increment by
So what is the result of it if I print it?
11.
11.
Yeah. So why I'm doing it? I don't know, but I'm doing it, right? So here, if you
Yes.
print the value of number, output is 11. Similarly, I want to repeat it. Okay. Again, what I want to do here, I want to take another variable like temporary temp, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm adding 2 and then subtracting 1 and printing it. What is the result of it?
11.
11. Again, I'm doing it something similar, but try to understand. So I just want to listen something from you here. uh, I'm taking another variable name which you can easily remember. Temp variable name is, suppose I'm taking far. Fine. Again, what I'm doing,
Oh,
incrementing by 2, then decrementing by 1. Result is 11.
11.
So you see, I'm just doing the repetition of the logic or not. See,
Yes, it,
it is just, you would say it is just repetition of the thing I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
So this is the problem or not? Because, because of it, my code becomes lengthy. And this problem I would like to solve with the help of method. So you got it? So method comes in the picture when you want to reduce your code because you have to solve similar problem. Got it?
Got it.
First of all, you understand the problem. Solution, how I'll give you, that is different story. But you got it or not?
Got it.
People, if you don't
Yes.
understand the problem, if I give you the solution, you will never understand.
Yeah.
Anybody is there who doesn't understand what I want to achieve? We have to do the similar task, right? What task I want to do? Whatever number is there, I want to increment by 2, then decrement by 1 and print it. Got it? Number
Yeah.
could be anything. Number could be, suppose it is 20. Then what happened? 20 plus 2,
22.
22,
20.
and 22 minus 1,
21.
21.
21. Yeah. Your question may be why you are doing like this? What is the purpose of it?
Yeah.
No purpose. No
That's
purpose.
Yeah.
No purpose. I'm just showing you the situation. This kind of problem will come in your real life. Then you would say, oh my God, in this situation, we should use method function. Got it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Again, I'm telling you. If you don't understand, let me know. So, what is the agenda?
So,
Agenda is this. Yeah, tell me.
so method function is to minimize the same
Code. Yeah,
repeated
yeah, yeah. Let
action.
me show you. Let me
Okay.
show you. When I will write, I want to convert this code with method function. This is the last for today. Okay. So if you want to write a function, a method, you have to follow some rule. what rule is. People. So when you write the function, you have to use a keyword static. Just write it blindly. I'll tell you later why I'm doing it. Okay. So every method start with static keyword. Clear? Why? We'll come to know later. I don't know. You got this much or not? Then every function has some return value. I'm just writing void. Void means once method is completed, then what it will return. Void means nothing. And you can write the function name. What name you want to write? Hello? Math. Here you are doing maths, right? Your function name is maths. You got it? And this function, see the syntax, static, return type. Here you can write void. Later I will tell you the meaning. Void means once method is completed, function is completed, it will not give you anything, right? So, or you can just remember this much is syntax. Method name, you can write method name anything. I wrote math, but you can write anything. Mhm.
Okay.
And this is the input. Every method take input, and input is a number. So you can take integer, and here variable name is num. Same thing you can take it. Whatever it is there, you can take it. Then curly bracket open and close. This is syntax of the method. Anybody have any question query? Let me explain you again. What is syntax? Sunil,
Int.
static. You have to remember, right? Void, remember. And this is the name of the method, and it could be anything. Name of the method. Hmm? Not following me?
Just follow.
Every method takes input. So what input this method takes? One
Int.
integer. Method says I can take input, right? In your real life also, when you call a function, you always give the input or not? I have given an example of plumber and electrician. When you call the plumber electrician, you always give the input. Yes or no? Or simply you will call? No. You have to also give him input so that he can do the processing. Hmm? This is
Right.
input. So what this method does, this method is saying whatever number you will give to me, right? First of all, I will increment with 2 people. Can you see this? After that, it will go and decrement the number by 1. Are you with me or not? Same thing it is doing, right? And then
Right.
it is printing the result over here. See, whatever you have written over there, what I did, same thing I have written in a method function. You got the idea or not? So this function, this method is taking one input, and then what it is doing? It is incrementing value by 2, then decrementing value by 1, then printing the result. Hello. So now how you are going to utilize in a method, right? Can I show you? After
Yeah.
that, you can write your public static void main. Public static void. Can you see this? I'll show you the whole program, okay, in the editor. And string, sorry, ARGs. People. And you can, what you can do above method, you can call here. First of all, you can define the input. Input is, like here your input is 10, 10, 10, 10 each time, right? But input can change as well, right? I'm taking 10. So what you need to do? You can call the method. If you want to call the method, you have to write just maths and pass your input here. People. I call this method. And this method you can call how many times? See?
Anytime.
Many times. So in this we have to call 3 times. Tell me. Now same logic, right? But what I have done, see, when I'm calling this method, right? This number I am passing. Number means what value I am passing to it? Reply. I am passing 10 to it. You got it or not? 10. Then it is doing what? It is just incrementing the value of 10 plus 2, 12. Then 12 minus 1, 11, and printing it. So tell me, this code is reduced or not? See, earlier you were writing this much. Now you are writing only this much. Which one seems to be better? Hello?
The other one.
Why? because whatever logic is there, I wrote inside some method, and this method I am calling again and again. Suppose I'm just calling this method, guys, come with me, and I'm passing 25 here. Then what happened? I'm passing this 25 to this method, num. Then what it will do? First of all, 25
Return
plus 2,
plus 2
27,
minus
27
1.
minus 1, 26, and pin 26. Oh my God.
Yeah,
Great, right?
right.
So first of all, you have to understand what is the purpose of function, what is the purpose of method, and what is the syntax of it. Syntax, you got it? Static means I'll teach you later. Void means do not return anything. Math is the name of the function, and in parentheses, integer num means it can take one input of integer. And curly bracket open and close is called definition of the method. And what is the definition of the method is doing? Whatever number you are passing, first of all, it is incrementing it by 2, then decrementing it by 1, and whatever result comes, it's printing it. Confused?
Nope.
Yeah.
People, pardon, what
Yeah.
you said?
So if the value, how do we change the value? For example, if the value changes, do we have to go to the previous program or just change it in the same one where we call the
No,
method?
no, let me show you. If you allow to me, I can write this code and run it in the editor as well. But what I can do, Monday, today you can go with my recording and all. Monday, I will repeat the same thing. It's okay?
Yes, sir.
I told you function,
Yes,
I will
that's
teach
better.
you, in 2 classes, today and tomorrow. I mean, on Monday as well. So this program, I'm going to write in the editor. Allow me. Hello.
Nope.
Yeah.
So you know how
Uh,
to make a class? You have to try. That's it.
Okay.
So basically, I can write any name to it, main. So basically, first of all, I'm going to repeat it. Same code. What I wrote, num 10.
we
See
can use
this?
only number here.
No, no, you can use anything, any variable name, you can use anything. So first of all, I'm incrementing value by 2, then decrementing value by 1,
One.
and then I'm printing the num. Got it?
Yeah.
And again, you see my speed? Copy paste.
Yes.
So what I'm doing is, the here you can take some other variable like temp, but here you can take 20, right? But logic is same. Again, I'm whatever values I'm doing, I'm just incrementing it by, tell me, by 2, decrementing by 1 and printing it. Make sense?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Similarly,
I'm asking
pardon?
that we are doing like number wise, like just a math. So,
Yeah, math.
so this is only for maths, or like we can
No,
run
no,
other.
you can do for anything. Math is a simple example.
Okay,
But in
thank you, sir.
real life, math would not come always, right?
Mhm.
Then we can use far. Hmm? Hmm.
Okay, sir.
This code is right. And let me repeat it again and again. You see, now this code is very big, right? Here you can use mat. This code I would like to reduce with by writing reducible reply. That
We use
reply.
anything or what?
Yeah, you can see we have a lot of code, right? But you see,
We use anything?
yeah,
What's
I'm
that?
see logic is simple. See, 10. So this is just 10 means incrementing 2 and decrementing 1. So it would be 11. Here 20, here 21, here 31. You know it, right? Yeah,
41, yeah.
simple. So same program allow me to write with the help of method. So this program I'm not changing anything. I'm just sending on chat, right? Done. It's okay with you?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
I am sending the program of the loop as well. And in the same program, I'm going to change. What I need to do, I have to write a method. So allow me. The here static fix void fix. What name you want to give the function method? Any name you can give,
So we have,
mango, tomato, potato, whatever name you
okay.
want to give. But name should be
Apple.
meaningful. Yeah, somebody saying apple. Let's give apple. That's fine. So syntax is static. This is called return type, and just use void. And this is the method name. You can give any name of your choice. Parenthesis, it is used to take the input, right? At the time of invocation. Curly bracket open and close is called definition, and pass the input to it. People, can you see this? And variable name could be anything. I'm taking number, but you can take anything. PR is fine. Yeah, this variable name could be anything. Mhm. Are you with me? So what
Okay.
this method is supposed to do? Whatever number input is coming, you just increment it by 2. Fine. Then decrement it by 1. Mhm. Hello. And in last you
Yeah.
can print it. What do you say? Yep, yep, yep. So this method is saying whatever input you will give to me, first of all, I'll increment by 2, then decrement by 1, hmm? and then I'll print it. You got the logic? Whatever
Yeah,
logic we
I
have
get it. I
everywhere,
get it.
we just wrote as a common code, right? So what is the apple? Apple is a name of the method. Confused? No. And what is the it is input, right? For the method. And what is the void? Return type of the method. You will come to know about it later. Return type of method. You just try to remember this much. Mhm. You want to call it? Hey, if you want to call it, what do you have to do? Delete this much and call the function. How you call the function? You have to write the name. Can you see this? Apple. Then in parenthesis, you have to pass this input. So what you are passing to this? 10. Hmm? When you call it, then this 10 will go to, then what happened? 10 plus 2, 12, 10, 12 minus 1, 11, and you are printing it. So when you call it, what output it will print? Not replying.
11.
When you call the apple from the main and pass 10 to it, it will print 11.
11.
I
Now,
get it now.
yeah,
You took the whole math formula and
yeah,
then
whole
just
math.
reduced it to a
Yeah,
word,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So we just have to put the word
Yeah,
in and
you
it'll run.
call it. Yeah. Again, apple, I'm passing 20. So 20 plus 2, 22, minus 1, 21, and printing it. Again, you can return, but it will come by the practice. Can you see this? Again, I'm passing 30, right? Wow. Now tell me which one seems to be simpler? First one or this approach?
This one.
Hmm? But it
First
will come
one.
by the practice, I'm telling you. Pardon?
First one.
So whatever you like, right? Somebody saying first one is simple? No. Actually, in real life, this method definition would be of 200 line. Now you think about it. So in real life, it is 200 line. Then what happened? 200 line, 200 line, 200 line, 200 line. It will become 1000 line. Yes, you know?
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
so in order to understand the benefit of it, you have to understand just making it complex and bigger. Mhm. So people, you just try this much, and I'm just expecting you.
I
If you understand 50%, it's true.
no.
10%.
I literally confused.
Okay, what's your name?
Siva.
Okay, so what you can do, already I'm recording it, right? So can you go
Yeah.
and watch it 2 times and come back again on Monday? If it is not clear,
Yes.
again I will
Yes, sir.
teach you. I'll
Yes, sir.
repeat it.
Yes,
But I'm
sir.
telling you, see, problem is if you are not able to type this program yourself, always you'll be in this situation.
Okay.
Got it?
You
So
Yeah.
say
people,
changes every time, like whatever we assign to the
yeah, yeah,
program.
yeah. Of course,
Yeah.
of course. This is general code, right? Whatever input you will pass to it, accordingly, its computation will be happen. For example, if you pass 10, then what happened? It will go as per the 10, right? So every time when you are calling it, its value is changing. I think that's a good question. When you're calling this method, every time its value is changing or not? Of course. First time you are passing 10, second time you are passing 20, third time you are passing 30, four times you are passing 40. Got it?
So what if it's not int? If something else, if it's something
No,
else,
you
then
can't do it. its input is fixed. This method is saying I'm only for in integer. If you want to do for some other type, you have to write another method.
The thing that we can change, however, is apple and
Yeah,
must,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Yeah, method name is fixed and this input again you cannot change it. This is also fixed. So in next session we'll talk about it, right? If you want to write another method for other, because this topic is very bigger, okay? So I can take 3 sessions for the method because method I think it is one of the important thing which you have to discuss. Fine.
Run this program. Can you run this
Run, of
program?
course. Whatever program I'm writing, of course it will run.
No,
Output
no, I didn't.
10.
Yeah.
When you pass 10, it will come 11. You know it because as per the logic, whatever input you are passing, it will just increment the value by 1. Yes, you know, because first you
Yes,
are
sir.
incrementing by 2 and decrementing by 1. So result will be changed by 1 only. So 10 output 11, 20 output is 21, 30 output is 31. Make sense?
So it
Yeah.
should
Here,
always be above public static void
this
and
one?
between plus, yeah, the
No, no, no.
program.
Here we have to write static and return type void. And tomorrow I'll tell you. In next session we'll talk about it. Here we can change the return type as well. Okay. But you just focus on this much first,
Right.
Again,
please.
yeah, I have a quick question. So
Okay.
if we separately want to have just the method on a separate file,
You can do it. You can do it.
does
Or
the can you show it over here
no,
if
no,
you
not
don't
right
mind?
now. If I show you, it would be too much for you. But it's possible.
Yeah.
This method you can write in separate file as well. It's possible, and in real life, you do always same way. In real life, method always we write in different file.
Okay, and the file name has to be same as
No, 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 no,
the
no, no.
Apple?
No, no. File name could be anything.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's possible.
Happens if you change main to
Yeah, yeah.
Apple
Yep. All this thing will come. Okay. Whatever you think, everything is possible.
on the
For
second
your
one, the public
question, for
static
every.
void.
Yeah, tell me, what's your question here?
So you changed it static void Apple for the method, but on the second part, it says public static void main. Is it
You can
always
write
going to be like
public,
that?
public here as well. No problem.
No, no, no. I'm saying like the main versus Apple.
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
you?
This is actually this method is predefined. You can't change it.
Okay.
Main is predefined. And sorry, main is predefined and you cannot change it. Got it? But
Got
Apple
it.
is user defined. Apple is user defined method. Are you following me? Can we change
Got
the
it.
name of it?
Yeah.
Name of it. Always, right? Yes. Yes. Yep. Okay. I think it is enough for today. Okay. So I'm just stopping recording here. So in next session, again, we'll continue. Not continue, I'll repeat it. Thank you so much.